Fetching changes from remote repository. Elaborated retrieves updates from a remote repository. Incorporating changes made by others or updating your local copy with the latest version of Pay. Project. Use cases. Integrating changes. Imagine collaborating on a software project with a team. Each team member makes changes and pushes them to the remote repository. To incorporate these changes into your local copy, you'd use Git pull to fetch and integrate the latest updates. Use cases. Collaborating with others. Working on a project with colleagues often involves merging branches or pulling in changes from other developers. Git pull allows you to stay synchronized with the central repository, ensuring your work is up to date. Use cases. Updating local copy. If you've been working on a project offline and want to make sure you have the latest updates, Git pull will fetch the most recent changes from the remote repository and update your local copy. Inputs. Remote repository URL. The address of the repository where the changes are stored, e.g. https://github.com user repository. Inputs. Branch name. The specific branch of the remote repository you want to pull changes from. Outputs. Updated local repository. Your local copy of the repository will be updated to reflect the latest changes from the specified remote branch. Commands. Git pull. This command fetches changes from the remote repository and merges them into your local branch. Steps 1. Connect to the remote repository. Ensure you have access to the remote repository using the appropriate credentials. Steps 2. Fetch changes from the remote repository. Retrieve the latest updates from the remote branch, including new commits and modifications. Steps 3. Merge changes into the local branch. Integrate the fetched changes into your current working branch, resolving any conflicts that may arise. Challenges and fixes. Conflicts between local and remote changes. When both your local branch and the remote branch have made changes to the same files, conflicts can occur. You'll need to manually resolve these conflicts by carefully choosing which version of each file to keep. Challenges and fixes. No internet connection. If you are unable to connect to the internet, you won't be able to fetch changes from the remote repository. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to perform the pull operation.